Professionalism, does it have a look? Let's talk about it. Professionalism in medicine is about competence, compassion, and integrity. But for many Black medical students and residents, it's often confused with conformity. Too often, Black cultural expressions, from natural hairstyles to speech patterns and even personal style, are labeled as unprofessional. These biases can alienate talented individuals and perpetuate stereotypes. When I was told that my braids were distracting, it felt like my identity was under scrutiny, not my skills. It's exhausting to feel like you have to prove that who you are doesn't undermine your capabilities. Authenticity in medicine strengthens connections with patients and colleagues. When healthcare providers feel empowered to be themselves, it fosters trust and empathy. Patients come from all walks of life. Representation and cultural authenticity in healthcare providers create deeper understanding and better outcomes. The problem isn't professionalism, it's the narrow lens through which it's often viewed. Let's expand our definition of professionalism. Celebrate authenticity. Challenge bias. Because true professionalism includes everyone.